Look at this view. This Starbucks is ridiculous. The Hilltop Cafe is an oasis from reality. Nestled in the hills of Koh Sirey sits the world's most enchanting Starbucks. This coffee shop sits within the luxurious Sinae Phuket Hotel and is only a 10-minute drive from Phuket Town Center. The mesmerizing 200-degree view of the Andaman Sea is worth the trip alone. Starbucks was founded in Seattle, Washington, the same city I'm from. I even briefly worked at Starbucks as a barista. Despite having so many ties to Starbucks, you will rarely see me drinking it. Pete's is my go-to, but I knew I couldn't pass up on this opportunity to visit such a breathtaking Starbucks. To access this picturesque location, visitors can park at the Sinae Phuket Hotel and purchase a 300 baht ticket per person, which can be used as a cash voucher for food and drinks at the cafe. Your adventure begins in a pickup truck with a steep ascent to the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦 summit. Hang on tight because these 30-degree inclines are no joke. After a 5-minute bumpy ride, you'll arrive at the Hilltop. With multiple levels, this jungle terrace is awe-inspiring. You'll definitely want to put your phone down and experience this as presently as possible. I was shooting some B-roll on the beach and this guy was walking his dog, saw that I was shooting and told me that I should come up to this Hilltop Starbucks. I would have never known if he didn't come up and talk to me about that, so what a good Samaritan, because this has to be the craziest Starbucks I've ever been to in my life. There are 2 kiosks, one for ordering drinks and bakery items, and one for ordering lunch items. We were in a rush to get to the elephant sanctuary, so we got some pastries and drinks. The drink prices were comparable to US Starbucks. The croissant was $3.56, iced caramel macchiato was $4.89, a slice of cake was $3.58. There was a 10% service charge as well as a 7% value-added tax. I felt like I was right back in the United States. Overall, the food was, as the kids say, mid. The pastries didn't seem fresh and the cake was moist, but nothing life-changing. If Matt and I weren't in a rush, I wouldn't have mind to give their lunch items a try. The experience was worth it, even though there are so many better coffee shops than Starbucks. Due to the fact that it's so isolated, there was plenty of space to move around without feeling claustrophobic. It's a smart business tactic to enforce a voucher system. This prevents people from loitering and obstructing the view. It seems that a majority of their customers are guests at the Sinae Phuket Hotel. Is this the most luxurious coffee shop you've ever seen? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be yourself and you'll make a difference. Peace.